Hey, Dave,
Yeah, Rob, what's up?
where do you put the gas in this thing, and where's the oil fill?
And this, Rob, why don't you just pick this up right here? Dump your gas in there. Rob, this is a battery-powered machine. Rob,
Yes.
this thing is gonna run probably around 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
You're not gonna have to worry about putting gas in it. You're not
Okay.
gonna have to worry about putting oil in it. Matter of fact, Rob, here, you want gas and oil? Here's your gas and oil, Rob. Here, why don't you put that in there? Here, let me hold the door for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you are so welcome. Just put that right
Okay.
in there. Yeah, Rob, make sure you put it in correctly.
Well, that's no. Well, it's not right. Look at that.
Look at that. There you go. Oh, hear that
Oh,
click?
I did hear the click.
Very good. And now you got a power on, power off button. That's
Okay.
all you have to do. Rob, this is a battery-powered machine. You don't have to worry about servicing the engine,
Okay.
changing the oil. You don't have to worry about greasing it. It has 7 different adjustments, and it's only one handle. So see this one handle? Just take it and move it a little bit, Rob. Look at that.
Oh man.
Oh, and
that's way better than the one I have at
Oh,
home.
it is. You got a bagger unit on top of it. And you know what? This normally runs $1,099. Oh, it's too expensive. You're right, but hey, we actually have this particular unit on sale for $799.99.
Now, was that one battery?
Wow, I was going to tell you a secret, but you
sorry.
must
I'm
already
sorry.
know. Right now, there's a special, and you'll be able to get an extra battery. But you need to check with your local retailer for pricing availability.
Okay.
Not every
Okay.
retailer is going to have
Okay.
it, but certain
Okay.
ones do.
That's good to know.
But Rob, this is something. Can you reach the handle? I don't know if we can
look at
adjust
that.
it down
Look at that.
anymore for you.
No, well,
Make sure it
then you're
fits.
scalping the grass if you go farther down.
Well, you might want to get some roller skates to put you up just a little bit higher so it'll go good for you. Just kind of letting you know. You'll want to try that. And you can adjust your speed here.
Okay.
It's a very simple battery-powered machine. You know what? After you're done, you plug in that battery, it's going to recharge in about an hour for you, Rob.
Well, that's not too bad.
So if you have 2 batteries, what can you
Man.
You can mow approximately 1/3 of an acre.
Okay.
With 2 batteries, 1/3 plus 1/3 is
I don't know.
2/3. Don't you know math? 2/3.
No.
So you could actually
Too
mow
much.
2/3 of an acre
Okay.
with this particular deal
Okay.
because you have 2 batteries.
Okay.
One's charged, one's in there. It drained, not going to go anymore. I'll grab the other one and put it in there. Right
Wonderful.
now, for a limited time, I believe that goes all the way through the end of June. So go check with your local retailer to see what they have for you on a Stihl battery-powered, not gas mower.